Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds, like this. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Use volume keys to navigate through the menu and power key to select options. Here you have such options as reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant. Not so many, so if you want to exit recovery mode, just select the option reboot and your device will be restarted as usual. Reboot to system. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.